how to find deleted notes in Microsoft OneNote. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, have you accidentally deleted some notes in your Microsoft OneNote and want to find it? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up any browser and head over to your Microsoft OneNote. Once you have opened up a notebook, you can see various options on the left hand side on the toolbar. Go to View, and you can find deleted notes on the right hand side. Just tap on it. And if you have any deleted notes, it will appear here and you can either restore it or permanently delete it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Thank you for watching.